Alright, guys, you have no idea what time it is. This is quarter past 1 a.m. I can tell my talking
It is
clock to tell
1:15
you.
a.m. on August 7th, 2014.
Yeah, that's the time, and I'm really feeling very dull and sleepy now. So I believe this is the time to run the program so that I can get some sleep because I really need it. Okay, so here's the program here. I finished writing everything and it's time for me to run it. So I'm gonna right click and say run as Java application, and hopefully I don't get any errors. I expected the option pane to come out and ask me for the file name. Good. So I'll simply say let me just call it sales records.html. I'm gonna click on OK, and I hope I don't get any errors. All I just want to see is my sales records on the web browser. Oops, I seem to have an error, which is pretty bad news for me. Invalid value for getInt. That's happening on get sales records on line 65. Okay. GetInt, is my invoice number not an int? Well, let me check it out in phpMyAdmin. The structure of my table. Okay, I think I can see it. That was a grievous mistake. Invoice number is actually not storing integers. Invoice number is storing varchars, so I should get it as a string. Okay, so let's head back to Eclipse, and instead of saying getInt, I'm gonna say getString. So I'm gonna save the code. Set invoice number. Oops. Okay, sales record invoice number, I declared it as an int, so obviously it's supposed to be a string. That was a wrong data type for invoice number, because the data type in the table is actually a string. So get invoice number should return a string, and set invoice number should take as its argument a string, and I think we are good to go. So I believe this program should run by now. Please don't give me any more errors. I right click, run as Java application, and I'm gonna say sales records.html. Click on OK. And looks like my browser just popped up something. Let's head over to Firefox and see what we have over there. Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. You can see this table is actually showing me the sales records that were found in my sales record table in the database. So that's it, guys. That's how to write a JDBC program and speed out the output in HTML. So I hope you found this informative, and thanks for listening, and have a nice night.